In this program, let us take two functions, say int find sum, which takes two values, say num1 and num2. In this program, I am taking two functions. One is find sum and another is find product. So I'll just copy paste this. So now I'll change this to find product. So note that both the functions have the same prototype. That is, they're taking two integer values and returning one integer value. And this returns product. So what we are doing here is very simple. Int product equals num1 into num2. You can just say return num1 into that is num1 plus num2. So this is also fine. Now I'm going to take a pointer, say int star p int comma int. So as you can see, this is a function pointer. Since it is a pointer, you can even initialize it to null. Now I can make this pointer p point to one of these functions, that is p equals find sum. You can do this. You can even say p equals ampersand find sum. Both are fine. Now the function find sum is being pointed by the function pointer p. Now I can call the function find sum via the function pointer. So what I'll do is I'll take a variable result and I'll say p of 10 comma 20. So this is how we can call the function. Note that the prototype that we have mentioned during the declaration of the function pointer p and the signature of the function must match. So this is very important. Now I can say printf sum equals %d comma result. Further, now I can make the pointer p point to find product. And now I can say result equals p of 10 comma 20. And now if I print product equals %d and result, so now we'll find the product of the two numbers. So this is the code. I'll just show you the entire code. There are totally 3 functions. Now let us run this. As you can see, we are getting the output correctly. Now further, what we can do is I can take a polymorphic function, say int, and this will take two variables, two parameters, and here now this function also takes a function pointer. Note that the first parameter of this function is a function pointer, and this function pointer is just like the function pointer that we have taken in the main function. So now via this function pointer, now I can call the two of the functions, and here I can use return. Though this statement is not cohesive, but still, since it is easier for us to understand, we can use it. Now further, what you have to understand here is the polymorphic function here is definitely polymorphic in nature. The reason is the compiler cannot decide whether we are making a call to find sum or find product in line number 13. The better way of using function pointers is making it the element of a structure, and in C++ you will learn something called as functors. Now here what I'll do now is I'll remove all this. Now instead of calling the functions find sum or find product via the function pointer from the main function, we can say polymorphic function of, I'll send the address of find product comma, and I'll send two numbers 20 and 15. So now you can see 20 into 15, that is 300, will be printed. Now this is the result we have got. Now if you want the explanation of this program, see, the main function first is calling the polymorphic function, and we are sending 3 arguments. The last 2 arguments are very much familiar to you, but the first argument here is the address of the function find product, which is received by the function pointer p in line number 12, and via the function pointer p we are calling the function the find product. The find product function returns the product of 2 numbers. In this case it is 300, and in line number 13 we are in turn returning the value 300 back to main function, which is stored in the variable result, and we are printing the result. If you have any doubts regarding this program, then do ask me in the comment section. Visit our Facebook page Outstanding20, our Instagram handle Outstanding20, and please do rate us on Google Maps. I welcome you to my office Outstanding20 in Mysuru. If you are preparing for some placement, or if you are a programmer working in a software company and you want to upskill, do reach to us to learn any technology in depth. Thank you.